What's up everybody, my name's Joel and I'm back with a recipe that's going to be keeping everybody fed at the big game this year. My sweet and spicy Sriracha honey lime drumsticks. I'm going to put up the entire recipe on our website, so check there for exact measurements. Start by preheating your grill to 250 degrees. In a large bowl, mix the drumsticks, salt, minced garlic, and 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Mix that up until they're evenly covered. Now take the drumsticks and place them evenly across the grates. We are going to leave these on for approximately 2 hours until they've gotten crispy and absorbed a good amount of smoke. While the chicken is cooking, we have a good opportunity to make the sauce. Take a saucepan and melt in some butter on low heat. Whisk in the sriracha, honey, soy sauce, cilantro, lime juice, and vinegar until it's completely combined. Alright, that sauce is good to go, so cover it on up and let it sit until the drumsticks are ready. Now we can take the meat off and turn the grill up to 450 degrees. While that's getting up to temperature, apply a light coat of that sriracha sauce on the drumsticks to let the flavor settle in. Place them back on the grill for 15 to 20 minutes until they're really crispy. Take the drumsticks off and place them in a large bowl while they're still hot. Douse them with a good amount of sauce and mix them up until they're completely covered. Drumsticks are cheap and easy to cook, making them the perfect appetizer for the big game coming up. Go ahead and garnish with a little bit of cilantro for a good looking presentation. And you can't go wrong adding a little sriracha to the mix. See you next time, folks.